Hi everyone, this is Pawan and watching me on the channel called The Virtual Coach. See, normally when we complete our class 12th and when we enter into the professional courses, once we join any computer science course or any information science, there are so many specialities are there. So if you join those courses, then whatever the lectures which is delivered by the whatever lecturer, sometimes we may not be try to attend it, or sometimes we may not understand what they're trying to say. So it is very important to have some alternative in this particular technological era of world. So today's world, it is YouTube's world, and we are going to get so many content on YouTube. At the same time, we are going to get a content which is going to make a student in a destructive manner. Also, there are some content which are going to make a student in a constructive manner. So it depends on you that what kind of content you're going to watch on YouTube. So you can utilize the YouTube in a two way, either in a constructive manner, either in a destructive manner, to kill your time. But in this video, I'll tell you the top channels name, and you can also say the top educators on YouTube who are providing the free education for the student who are studying in BTech or some other technical courses. So if you are a student of any that background, then this is the exact video. As I mentioned in the thumbnail that I'm going to say the top YouTube channel for the engineering student, also the website. So without wasting any time, I'll start this video right now. We start with the YouTube channel. The first thing is that Canara Engineering College, Mangalore. Now, what is this college? This is basically engineering college which is situated in Karnataka, Mangalore district. Now, we'll go to the YouTube channel and we'll try to explore each and every content that they have uploaded, and then we'll get to know that this is really helpful for us. Now, if I'll go to the YouTube channel, I'll just type Canara Engineering College. Canara Engineering College, Mangalore. So I got the suggestion. I'll click on that. Now you can see that there are 4,557 videos uploaded on this channel. This is fab. This is the channel which is containing all kind of video, taking from your first sem to 8th sem, taking from all subject from basic to advanced, all video lecture from chapter wise in a continuity manner. So they have maintained those continuity, and each video covers exactly precisely all the content which is there with your syllabus. And this is what I liked about this. Personally, I have referred to these channels as well for the studies. Now if I'll go to the channel, you can check it out the playlist here. So we'll just check out the playlist and we'll see what else which is present here. Now you can see department wise, if you go for computer science and engineering department, we have 4th sem which is around 95 videos. We have 6th sem which is around 174 videos. We have 8th sem which is 43 videos, and we have 7th sem which is 182 video. And if we go up to 3rd sem, we have the channel all like the video lectures. Now if you go to the another department which is electronics and communication engineering, here also we have all the semester wise lectures, which is there are almost more than 200 videos are there in each and every semester. Now if you go to the another, we have information science and engineering department. This is also covering lots of videos. Then we have mechanical engineering, then we have electrical and electronics engineering, and then also we have department of mathematics, where mathematics 1, 2, 3 will be taught thoroughly in this particular section. You can go through. You can see here we have first sem mathematics, then we have second sem, third sem, and also 4th sem. Then also they have covered diploma CET syllabus, which is DCET 2020, and they also have basic science department. This is basically, once you join to the college, there are two kinds of department. One is physics cycle, another is chemistry cycle. So in physics cycle there will be some other subjects. Once you go to the second sem, you will be turned into the chemistry cycle. So this is how the things are divided. Now if you go that in that, also they have covered. So in chemistry cycle there are around 1 or 2 videos. In physics cycle we have around 97 videos. So these are very important playlists which may help you to prepare lots of your portions of your semester. So this is one thing. Now if we go to the second channel, which is called Last Momentation. Now I'll just type Last Momentations here. See in suggestion, if I click on that, so there are almost 1787 videos are there on this particular thing. So in this channel you'll be getting the content regarding to your soft skills and also the placement material, which may be quite value addition to your life. So they have one tagline called "दोस्त से अच्छा कोई teacher नहीं." Got it. So here basically all the college, those who are already student in the college, they will be teaching some of the concept, and which may be interesting for you, and you will get connect with that, because the way they teach, that is really nice and it is really in a friendly manner. Now if you see here, we have different kind of videos that they have uploaded. We also have some competitive examinations content, which you may feel it is quite helpful for you. And you can see some kinematics of machines. We have some how-to videos, then we have some applied chemistry, then we have engineering mathematics, then we have machine learnings. So these are the videos. Then we have maths too, then we applied physics, engineering chemistry. So in each and every semester we learn around 6 to 8 subjects, and out of our 4 years of engineering, we may end up learning around 40 subjects. So it's very important to have a proper teacher and a proper explanation to remember with the concept. So this is one thing. Now that's all about the last Momentation. If you feel this is helpful, you can go and subscribe, and also you can go explore the videos. Next, if we talk about, especially if I talk about the Gajendra, what is that, mathematics. So if you want a proper mathematics teacher, then you can go for this channel, which is called Gajendra Purohit. So I'll just show the home channel for that, Gajendra Purohit. Okay, now here if you see, there are around 692 videos are there in this. So all the concept related to mathematics will be uploaded here of all the semester in a very proper manner, in a very precise manner, in a very you can see here. If I'll go in a playlist, we have and this is another channel. This I did not has to open. This channel I had to open. So in this, if you check it out, there are general aptitude for competitive exams questions are there, and this also may be helpful for you to prepare for some examinations. Then also we have a higher mathematics topic wise playlist. So you can see a group theory, multivariable calculus, then we have advanced calculus, we have theory of equations, then we have integral calculus. So almost a detailed video you can get it on this particular channel. So you can go through about these channels and you can subscribe it to get the proper notification. So this is all about. So this I'll suggest for the particular maths. Okay, if you think that the maths is not taught properly on the Canberra Engineering College channel, then you can come for this also as an alternative. You can try for this, right? Next, if I'll talk, we have EKITA. So basically when we joining engineering, we come across the subject called electronics and electrical. So if you go for EKITA, so this I prefer for especially the electronic subjects. Now if I'll type EKITA in this, so here also the semester wise I expect, and each and everything is explained in a very proper manner with a very neat and clean explanation and notes. If I'll go to the playlist, so you can see first year of engineering, they have uploaded around 385 videos. My god. Then we have basic electrical engineering, that they have 256 videos. We have engineering mechanics, we have 269. In engineering chemistry, we have almost 155 videos. Then engineering mathematics, we have around 185 videos. If I'll go further, we have C programming, which is 166 videos. Then we have communication skills is around 134 videos. So this is really amazing. And if you go for calculus, we have 121 videos. Then engineering chemistry too, we have 55 videos. So this is also a very reliable channel that you can rely on, and yeah, that's what you can go for this also if you like to. Then we have civil engineering wise, then we have electronics and telecommunication engineering, then we have mechanical engineering, civil engineering, automobile and production engineering. So each and every department wise they have uploaded the video in a very proper manner, and yeah, this is what I thought to share the channel to you. Now if I'll go to the last YouTube channel for you, is called Opna College. Now if I'll type Opna College here, so you can see this is basically owned by the Aman Dhatrawal. You must be knowing who is he. Is basically a very famous personality among the student of class 11, 12 and 10th. And also right now he's also uploading some videos related to data structures or programming for the placement cracking. And this plays also very important role, especially if you want to see the content regarding your data structures and the algorithms and regarding your programming. So this plays a very important role. These channels have each and every topic in a very precise manner. You can see they have uploaded around 32 videos for Java plus DSA playlist. Then we have C++ complete. There are around 226 videos are there. Then this is what very important. Then we have college review by Aman Dhatrawal. So there are some different contents are there which you may like. It may make some validation to your studies. This is the thing. Now if we talk about the websites that I was talking about, that website is basically, so website also plays a very important role for you, because not only watching the lectures, it is very important to maintain the notes also, and sometimes we forget to get the notes also, and that's why we always try to search the notes from other friends. They may the way they write we may not understand, so it is very important to have proper notes. For that we have proper websites, and I'll just go through the website also, so that you'll get to know what else about that we're talking about. Now if I'll go to the Google again, the first website which I wanted to say is that there's a website called takeiteasyengineering.com. so we'll just type that, take it easy engineers, just type that, you'll get the first page itself. Then here, so if you go to the categories page, in this basically we are going to get each and every notes, module wise notes based on the semester which you study. Then we have basic science, we have CSE or ISC, these are basically both are common. Then we have ECE, mechanical, then civil and maths. Then we have EEE. So for example if you go for CSE, then in that you can see from third semester it is having. So basically first and second sem will be covered in the basic science itself, so we don't consider for that. In the third sem, if you see, we have third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth semester. So up to that we have. If I'll click on third sem, so you can see here there are 6 subjects in that. One is DSA, software engineering, ADE, discrete mathematics, which is called DMS. Then we have computer organization. Then we have CPC. So if you click on data structures and application, so you see that each module wise notes will be here. You can see super important question will be here. We have third sem module 5 notes, third sem module 4 notes, module 3, module 2. If you go to the next page, you will get module 1 also. So this is the thing about that. If I'll show you an example, if I'll try to click on module 5 notes, so I'll just click not required to this add. Yeah, so if you click on that, still it is loading, so it may take time, because this website sometimes runs slow, or maybe my network connection is slow. So you can see here, this is the notes, which is a content wise. You can see each and every topic wise they have uploaded. There are almost 47 pages are there in there. So this kind of notes are easily available on the website. You can go for this. Not only the DSA, all the subjects which includes engineering are there in this particular thing. And if we talk about the another website, if sometimes we may not get satisfied with the content that we get, so if you're not getting satisfied, we have another website that is called A to Z documents. Now I'll just type A to Z documents. It is already suggested. I'll click on that. I click on this particular link. then I'll go to, see, basically we had 2018 scheme, but recently they have updated and they have made as a 2021 scheme as well for the basic science and also for the engineering. So if you click on this, we have two scheme, which is 2021 scheme, 2018 scheme. And if you are 2018 scheme, then click on that. If you are a P cycle, click on P cycle. If you are C cycle, click on C cycle. If you want technical English, click on technical English. If you want P cycle, then I'll click on that, for example, and you can see all the nodes related to the P cycle stream has been displayed here. Engineering, physics, basic electrical engineering. So this will contain almost all the module which is required. Now if we come apart from that, we have CSE. We have 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th sim, all the content regarding that which we uploaded, taking from the notes to question bank, and the previous year question will be also going to get on this particular video. Then we have ECE and so on. If you try to get your question paper as well, so you can get here in the website so easily, right? That's all about in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this information, make sure you like this video as well, and also share to your friends who doesn't know about this website and YouTube channels. And if you like to see this kind of videos in future, then make sure you subscribe channels and hit the bell icon for the technology and educational videos. We meet in the next video. Until that, have a good day and bye bye.